Hello everyone. This is Jayavati working as an assistant professor in information technology from SNS College of Engineering. In my today video, we are going to see about Prim's algorithm. Before that, first we have to understand what is meant by minimum spanning tree. Minimum spanning tree is a subgraph. All the vertices of a graph is connected without forming any cycle. So we are going to construct a tree out of the vertices and edges such that cover all the vertices without forming any cycle. Why it is called minimum spanning tree? Because the edges we include the summation of edges can give minimum values of the edges. Prim's algorithm is a query algorithm that is used to find the minimum spanning tree from a graph. Prim's algorithm finds a subset of edges that includes every vertex of the graph such that the sum of the weights of the edges can be minimized. Let us take an example for Prim's algorithm for a better understanding. Suppose a weighted graph. Weighted graph is having five vertices named as A, B, C, D, and E. All the vertices connected together, and also the weight will be given in each paths. Here the A to C is 3, C to B is 10, C to E is 6, then C to D is 2, B to D is 4, then D to E is 4. First step, we have to choose a vertex from the above graph. Let's choose the B vertex. Now we to choose and add the shortest edges from the vertex B. There are two edges from vertex B that are B to C with weight 10 and edge B to D with weight 4. Among these two edges, B to D has the minimum weight, so it is add it into the graph. That means B to D is 4. Then step 3. Now again choose the edge with the minimum weight among all the other edges. In this case, the edges D to E and C to D are such edges. Add them to minimum spanning tree and explore the adjacent of C. That means E and A. So select edge D to E and add it into the minimum spanning tree. Now select the edges CD and add it into the minimum spanning tree. Now choose the edge C to A. Here we can't select the edge CE and it would create a cycle to the graph. So the chosen edge is C to A and it add it into the minimum spanning tree. Next, so the graph reduced in step 5 in the minimum spanning tree of the given graph. The cost of the minimum spanning tree will be calculated as follows. Cost of the minimum spanning tree, that means D2 B is 4, then D2 C is 2, then D2 E is 1, then C2 A is 3. 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 10 units. This is the minimum value without forming any cycle, that is called minimum spanning tree of the given graph will be constructed. The analysis of the minimum spanning tree is we go of E log B or B log B. Here E is the number of edges and B is the number of vertices. The conclusion of this, we have to construct minimum spanning tree for the given graph using Prim's algorithm. The Prim's algorithm is calculated as follows. Here we obtain minimum spanning value as 10 units. And also we can find out all the possible paths from this source to destination. Here we have to visit all the nodes once without forming any cycle. This is the goal of the Prim's algorithm. Here is the analysis of this Prim's algorithm given. So the analysis of the Prim's algorithm is big of E log V. Thank you.